Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I know today's Sunday, but I figured I would put this up today. I will not be able to put this up till the whole week, so I didn't want to do that. I have my Ipsy box. This is my Ipsy Open Studios. Big thank you to Ipsy for sending me this box. In here we get the little, I'll try to give you a little sneak peek. This box is a little trashed. So these are the spoilers for September, items that you could possibly get and that I could possibly get in my bags. In here will be the Glam bag and the Glam bag plus. Glam bag is $13, 5 basically samples, deluxe samples. Occasionally we get a full-size product or 2 or 3. I've been pretty lucky. And the plus is $28 a month, 5 full-size products. We get to customize 3 out of the 5, and the Glam bag we get to pick 1. Starting July of 2022, they now added $1.99 shipping and handling to each of those bags. You know, not a fan of that. If you can see, I have my ceiling fan on. It's a little warm today, and I try filming without it, and I'm roasting by the time I'm done. So if you are not interested in spoilers, you can skip and, you know, just come back. Like if you're waiting for your own bags, come back and watch. Don't, you know, forget about me. The theme for September 2022 is going to be You Got This. And then this is just, you know, the Open Studios card. It says on the front, sometimes you just need a reminder. As the CEO of the world, embrace every challenge with confidence. From nailing your eyeliner to acing your next project. And watch yourself level up. And that's really cute. And then new, you know, some information there. There's never any product information here because it is the PR package for September. And this was always, every month, so kindly gifted to me by Ipsy. So, which one should we do first? Let's do the Glam bag. Hopefully this is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll hope. So this is the Glam bag, the actual bag itself. This is, I have a little mark on this one. It's holographic. You can kind of see some purples, and it's more like a, you can see the purples, pinks, and then we have the purple pull, the zipper pull, and the tag. Oops, drop that. And then the inside is pink. You know, these are nice. I like collecting them and saving them. I try my best to share them. I don't always remember some months. But, so that's the Glam bag. I'm trying to get this off the table a little bit. So the first product that I see for Glam bag is from Hemp's. The secret is in the seed. Sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body butter. Hydrate and refresh. Right here, that's a decent size. And that is a deluxe sample enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. They have seals I would love to smell. It does have a seal. I'm going to pull it back a little bit and see if I can smell it. I love I could smell that goodness. Oh, that's a nice size for a body butter to use after shower, to shave your legs. I can smell the pineapple more than the melon, so I'm happy for that. Like I said, deluxe sample. This right here is from Sophia and Maybelle. I woke up like this. Skin Perfecting Primer. This is actually full size for them. Nice primer. I have tried it in the past. This has a $16 value. I would never buy this for $16 because for around that price you can get something like this as a primer. So, but this is very nice. Like I said, I've tried this in the past, so I'm happy to have it. No complaints. I think I've had this before. Gold Faden MD, Bright Eyes. This is for like dark circles. Tiny little deluxe sample. Next here was in a little bag is from, oh, okay, good brand, Lottie London. Now this is sealed, and I'm going to leave it sealed because I will not keep this. This is an eyeshadow in Golden Hour. I don't know if you guys can see. No, I don't want to take the lid off. This is like a coppery. You really can't see it. I can see it looking sideways. I don't know if you guys can see anything looking sideways. It's like a copper-ish color eyeshadow, like a foil. I cannot wear stuff like that. It gets in my eyes. It just irritates. So I will share that. And that is, I think, full size. Lottie London. Full size, $8 value. And then last but not least, from my glam bag here for spoilers, is from Basic Beauty. And this is a lipstick in Fall for You. This might be a dark color for fall. We'll see. Nice packaging right there. Like a square tube. This is full size, $16 value. Ooh, that is dark. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and see, but I think this one might be, you know what, I was going to swatch it. I'm not swatching it. I stopped myself. I probably will share that. I don't think I will wear it. I have a few that are super light. I'm going to try. I think that's too deep for me, so I will share the Lottie London shadow and the lipstick for sure. And then these other products I will keep for myself. I was going to swatch it, and I'm like, if I swatch it, it's mine. So that spoiler bag has a value of, since there's 3 full-size products, 16, 32, and 8 is 40. So a $40 value, not bad. My nose is running, I'm so sorry. Here for the plus, some possibilities. Ooh, these are beautiful looking, from YC collection. 3-piece brush set. Let's open these. Unfortunately, I probably keep these. I don't have anything from them, and these look beautiful. I can figure out how to open these. And it's not like it's a 10-piece set where I would give it away. Oh, got it. I like the packages, but sometimes you can't get them out of the... Ooh, these are so pretty. Yeah, I'll be keeping these. Wow. They're weighty. They're not... do they have any markings on them? Just has their YC collection, but look at the brush. Ooh, they're nice. I like. You could use that for powders, sweeping powder under your eye, blush, highlighter. You know, use your brush. You need to use, if that's all you have, and you need to use it for bronzer, go right ahead. And then you just have some, I'll pull these back a little bit so you can see, like blending brushes, shadow brushes, things like that. Packer right here if you want it. So these are really nice. They feel nice too. Well, I'll be keeping those. Oh, they're beautiful. I love the pink and the black together. That's really nice. I'll leave them out. Let me see. YC collection. I have my phone right next to me. 3-piece brush set. It's Y03, 04, and 05. I thought I saw something where like individual ones you could get in the glam bag. And I don't know if they were given like Y02 or 1 out as the, like in a glam bag, which would be nice. These have a $45 value. Next, from Gloss Modern, Clean Luxury Collection, and this is a hair mask. Probably will share this. I'm not a big fan of a hair mask, but that has a $55 value. That must be like a high-end brand. I will share that. I will not use it. Then I have, ooh, I saw a little sneak peek of this. Oh, I'm glad I got it here. I think I might have picked this for my plus. But if I like it, then I'll have 2, which is fine. No complaints. Get it out of the packaging. And this is from Clarity RX. Brighten It, 10% lactic acid solution. Gently exfoliate and brighten skin. Right here. And that's a nice full liquid. And I would just put that on a cotton round or something like that. And as an exfoliator and just wipe your face with it. That is really nice. I'm glad I got that here. Plus, like I said, I think I picked it because I picked my products this morning. I think I did pick that. I'm filming this on Friday evening, by the way. I think I did pick that as one of my options. $60. That's a lot of money. Oh, you know what? I never showed you the bag. The satchel. Cute. It says, you got this. Purple and pink. Really cute. I like that. I'm just going to keep that here. I love the foam because I reuse it, but it gets in the way. Now, what is this? from Full Ritual. I have never heard of them. This is a lip balm. $23. Is there a shade? Let's see. Wow, they make this so difficult. It says, give me a second here. These old eyes need to focus. Second Nature. That's what it looks like. That's pretty big for a balm. Oh, nice doe foot right there. I will keep this. Oh, that's pretty. Can I see that? Like an orangey, like a nice fall shade for a lip balm. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I've never heard of this brand. Have you guys heard of Full Ritual? I never have. That's really nice. I like that for days that I'm not putting a ton of makeup on. Just to have, you know, something light on. So that is, let me see, lip balms, $23. Okay, that's a little bit much. And then we have from another good brand, Araceli Beauty. This is mascara in black. $19 value. I probably will share this. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Like, can you guys see the butterfly, the monarch butterfly? Because this is Monarcho mascara plus avocado oil. Ooh, maybe I will keep this one. Maybe I will keep this. Ooh, that is beautiful. I like that. And it's embossed on there. Oh, that's really pretty. I think I might keep that. Avocado oil. That's probably very good for your lashes. And we'll have to. And Araceli Beauty is made in Italy. So that's a nice $19, fairly priced. And that's everything that's in my box. I think this is going to be a good month. Let me know what you think. Did you, we already picked for Glam Bag, and you picked for that like this third week of the month prior, second week, third week, month prior. And then for the plus, you pick like the first or second. And this month it was the second. Sometimes it's the first, but usually the second of the month you pick for that month. So like I said, I just picked my products this morning. That's how I know I picked this, because I will pick stuff like this rather than some of the other options. I didn't see the brushes as an option for me to choose from unless they sold out, because I didn't do it first thing this morning like I normally do. The only thing that I really am not thrilled about is a hair mask, but you know, it is what it is. I don't mind sharing at all, so I can drop that into a giveaway. But oh, I'm excited for some of this. Nice brushes. I think I will keep the mascara, and I do. You guys can see that. That's really pretty. Curious to see if it's like tacky, because sometimes glosses are very tacky. Oh, Oreo, what are you doing? Just licking her leg. So the theme for September 2022 is You Got This. And we do. You got this, girl. You got this, dude. So that is the little spoiler box from Ipsy. As always, thank you so much to Ipsy for including me each and every month. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I love doing these videos. I love seeing what some of the possibilities are. Just a little hint. If you're not aware, I mean, maybe you are. If you go into Ipsy and like right now, if you get Plus, let's say, or even the Glam Bag, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see all products, and that will show you all the products that are available for the Glam Bag, for Glam Bag Plus, and if it's an X month, they will be listed there too. So you can scroll through and see all the products that are available for the regular Glam Bag, all the products that are available for Plus, and like I said, for X, the same thing. And that gives you a little hint of what is available for the month. And you can, I think you could still sign up. So like if you don't get Plus and you see a whole bunch of decent things now, just remember, you might not get everything that I got. Or if you see somebody else, they are going to, you know, these are not identical across the board for everybody that gets as part of the Open Studios program. Boxes are different. I did watch somebody's not too long ago, because I knew I was going to film. So if you could let me watch her video, because I'm not going to be able to watch later. So I watched her video, and we got a few things the same. The brushes, yes. The mascara. I didn't see this other stuff in her Plus, and I don't remember what she had in her glam bag, honestly. I think she got a sponge, which I could care less about. I really don't remember the other stuff. I was more focused on the Plus, but we got different products. So, you know, they're not all the same. These are just possibilities. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow we have a brand new subscription bag box that I'll be sharing with you. So make sure you catch Monday's video. Bye-bye for now.